Welcome to this fantastic Spanish villa located here in Central Florida, Winter Haven actually. It is centrally located and everything is around us, including Polk State College, downtown Winter Haven, and Legoland. Let's go take a little tour inside. For more information on this spectacular property, give me a call. Daniela Zoppe at JDZ Luxury Team, 407-808-7350. I'll see you here.